Hi children, we are going to do chapter 3 of class 4. The first MCQ of this is the design of character that you choose is called font. The design of character that you choose is called font. The font size button is located on the format toolbar. The font size button is located on the format toolbar. आंसर इज फॉर्मेट टूल बार. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है इटैलिक टेक्स्ट इज. इटैलिक टेक्स्ट कैसा होता है? स्लांटेड. कैसा होता है बेटा? स्लांटेड. यू कैन ओपन द डायलॉग बॉक्स फॉर्मेट फॉन्ट. कहाँ जाकर आप डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन कर सकते हो? फॉर्मेट फॉन्ट में. हाउ द टेक्स्ट इज अलाइन with the relation to the margins is called alignment. How the text is aligned with the relation to the margin is called alignment. In this type of alignment, the text is aligned to both the left and the right margin. Justify. In the type of alignment, the text of aligned to both the left and right margin is justified. A list that has a bullet sign in a front of the paragraph is called bullet list. A list that has a bullet sign in front of the paragraph is called bullet list. To create columns in your document, use the following options: file and columns. Write T for true and F for false statement. By changing the font type, you can make the text bold, italics or underline. It is true or false? It is true. By changing the font size, the text can be made bigger or smaller. It is false. By changing the font size, the text can be made bigger or small. It is false. The B button in the LibreOffice Writer represents bold style. It is true. This button is LibreOffice Writer represent italic style. It is true. Yes, it represents italic style. That this button, an underline button in LibreOffice Writer represents underline style. It is true. This button is used to create a numbered list. It is false. Yes, it is not used to create a numbered list. The underlined text has a line over it. It is false. The number list is used when the numbers of item is important. It is true. In the number list, the numbers must be in the sequence. It is true. The column option is under the format menu. It is also true. So I hope this exercise is clear to you. For the questions, I'll send you the next video.